In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run your own multilingual translation and voiceover agency business with LinguaScribe, a groundbreaking new AI-powered cloud software with agency rights. LinguaScribe is the most advanced multilingual translation app today, with the ability to translate, transcribe, or voice over any length of text or audio into 100+ different languages quickly using AI technology. This includes proprietary workflow technology that can translate your simple text or audio file into many different languages at once, all in different media formats to use as podcasts, blog articles, social posts, websites, and more. It also comes with the largest selection of lifelike sounding voiceover options, available in tons of different languages, allowing your clients to tap into a whole new pool of buyers by targeting them in their native or alternative speaking language. To get started with LinguaScribe, begin setting up your automated translation workflows by clicking the Jobs tab. Give your job a name and select what you're starting with to transcribe, either text or an audio file. For this example, I'll choose to start with text to transcribe and hit Add Job. Click on the View button to begin adding automated translation and audio tasks for this job. First, give your task a name. For example, we'll translate our video sales letter, and then begin assigning actions to that task. You can choose to translate the text into another language or convert the text into speech audio. For our first task, let's just transcribe it into another language like Dutch. First, select which translation API you would like to use, including Google, Amazon, or Microsoft Azure. LinguaScribe comes equipped with the best in translation technology today. Then choose which language you want to translate your text into, and if you want to manually approve the task or auto-approve it. Auto-approve it means it just goes through the system a lot faster. You'll also see a credit indication below. Now, LinguaScribe works on a credit-based system, and it will be preloaded with tons of credits depending on which plan you get, and you can always renew your credits at any time. Now, the reason for this is we're tapping into advanced translation technology like Microsoft Azure AI, and that's expensive for us. And we plan to keep LinguaScribe working long-term into the future for you, just like the other technologies we've developed. So then hit Add Action, and we've successfully created a workflow to translate English text to Dutch text. After we translate our text to Dutch, we can add another action to say convert the text into speech now to use in a video or podcast. Just click the plus button and choose Convert Text to Speech this time. Select which service you want to use, the language it's in, and what voice you want for your voiceover. Some languages, of course, will have more voiceover options and accents than others. Okay, awesome. Now I've just created a workflow that will translate any English text into Dutch text and then into a Dutch voiceover file. But why stop there? We can add more tasks by clicking the button and naming our second task. For example, create a podcast. For this one, we can add an action to convert text into English speech and then choose which actor or age group we want, since our original text was English. We can layer that and translate that text into another language again, maybe Italian, and target those that speak Italian and English in our local area. And feel free to build out these workflows as big as you want and as fully customized as you want, and charge clients major translation and voiceover fees for each one, even though the smart technology will be doing all the translating and completing each workflow for you behind the scenes 100% hands-free. Once you have a piece of text or audio file to translate and run through a custom workflow, let's click on the Gigs tab and give our gig a name and choose what translation workflow we want to assign it to. Then paste in your content or drag and drop your audio file that you want translated and converted to all these different formats we've just chosen. LinguaScribe is the only app that can translate unlimited text and audio, so feel free to translate an entire audiobook or website for a client if you want. Just paste in your text and choose to customize it. You can actually instruct the voiceover technology when to add audio effects, like what text to whisper, what text to use a stronger tone on, when to spell out words for accurate voiceovers, and more. We really went above and beyond to help you create pro-level voiceovers and translations clients will be thrilled to pay for. Then hit Add Gig, and your gig will be queued to go through your custom translation workflow. In just a matter of minutes, we'll have a translated VSL text into Dutch and then have access to our Dutch voiceover and an English voiceover ready to drive traffic and then sell to your client.
LinguaScribe is the most advanced multilingual translation app today with the ability to translate, LinguaScribe is de meest geavanceerd meertalig vertaal van Vandad met Demo.
Now, do you see how powerful this is going to be? And you can quickly help businesses tap into a whole new pool of buyers by targeting them in their native speaking language, whether they live in your country or not. Now, if you're in a rush, you don't want to set up these custom workflows, You can choose to do like a one-off text-to-speech or speech-to-text or translation job. Just choose which one you want by clicking the tab in the navigation bar and hit Add New. Again, just name your task and select which service you want to do the translating. Paste in your content and hit Submit. The app will get to work right away for your one-off text-to-speech, speech-to-text, or translation needed. If that wasn't enough, LinguaScribe will also come with agency rights and commercial rights. Now this means that you can sell the translated content you create to clients for a one-off price, or add them to the software for a monthly fee and make them do the translation work themselves. Everything is here to start a fully fledged translation and voiceover agency business, as well as pick up new clients yourself by targeting them in different languages, something hardly anyone is doing now. So hopefully this described how powerful LinguaScribe is going to be for your business, and I'll see you again soon.